good morning everybody, and welcome to Kirk Allen Outdoor Adventures. I'm Kirk. We're going to do a little spooling up of our St. Croix Mojo bass. This is one of our newer versions of the Mojo bass. I just wanted to kind of get it ready for the season. Last season I kind of used up a lot of my spool, and I knew it was time to tie on some new line. The crazy thing about this whole video was I wanted to change my spool, and it looks like I already did that. So this is going to go into how to clean the cork on your favorite rod. First thing I like to do when I get my rod back out in action is the cork always looks stingy to me at the end of the year. So what I do is I grab Mr. Clean Magic Eraser with a little bit of water, and we're just going to go on there and we're going to clean that up. You'll see how nice that changes it up. It's amazing how much dirt sticks to your hands when you're out fishing. By the time you've offloaded the boat, grabbed a bunch of lures, and it's amazing how much dirt will stick to these corks. And this rod will have a brand new appearance. Now that's not even dry yet, but look at the difference of the corks compared to each other. You can't overdo it. Will not damage your cork. That's the problem with some abrasives. You're worried you're going to damage the cork. But the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser will not do that. We're going to get that front one, of course. This Magic Eraser is the stuff too. It's just amazing the difference. Bring an old rod, even an old rod cork, right back to life. Yeah, so Magic Eraser is the way to go here. All right, let's get this dried off. Okay, got a little paper towel here. Just want to dry that off best we can. And the Magic Eraser is going to break down actually when you're using this. That's normal. So don't be nervous about that. That's going to happen. So that looks a lot better to me. Once that dries out, we're really going to see the difference. Okay, so we're just a few minutes now of cleaning our corks down, and just look how much better they look compared to when we first started. It's a real easy cleanup, and it makes the rods look brand new again in there. You know, I've actually gone on Facebook Marketplace and found rods that were not too expensive, St. Croix at that, and I was able to bring them home and clean them up, and their value just raised. So don't be afraid to grab some Mr. Clean and clean up your corks. Well, thanks for watching Kirk Allen Outdoor Adventures. We'll see you on the next one.